So we're going to be doing the third part of the fourth lab. I've started to sketch on the top plane. So first we're going to do the base of this part, rectangle, base dimension, 100, side dimension, 70, go. Again, a little bit laggy because I'm trying to run a bunch of stuff on here at the same time. Needs to be 20, already good to go. Now we have block, so now we need to do the fillets for it, this edge, and these need to be 15. Got the preview, looks right. Check that. Another fillet, this edge, except instead of 15, we want 5. There you go. So from here we need to use the shell tool. So I need to select a few faces. This guy, and the bottom. Show us a preview. And this is not 10. This is 2. And that gets us the shell that we want. From here we need to define a plane. So this plane, go to reference geometry, new plane, reference, using that guy, flip the offset, and this is 15, and that will get us our new reference plane on which we need to make a sketch. And I will normal to this real quick. For this sketch we need a center line. Center line goes, unsurprisingly, in the center. Magic. This dimension is 35. Now we need 2 circles on this line. Dimension these after. The first one is 25. The next one is 35 away from that. Dimension one of these guys as 6. Just reply. And equal relationship. This is now fully defined. From here we need to do an extrude. Nice extrude. For here, it helps if you rotate it so you can see what's going on. So here you want to do, instead of here, up to next, you want to put a draft. It's 5 degrees, and you want to select draft outward. Now we have these things. So the next step from here is to add our holes. To make this easier, go into here, view the temporary axes, and then go into here, flip to the top plane, and use the hole wizard. Now under type, it's this one, countersunk, ANSI metric, flathead screw, size M3.5, normal, end condition through all. Now the reason we set up the temporary axes is for these points. So when we go here to positions, once we're happy with our hole type, select the face, and now we can just snap them right to here and here, making our life much easier. Click the box, rotate around, and we have our lovely holes. So from here we need to add a little fillet onto the bottom of these guys. If you want at this point, you can turn off the temporary axes if you don't like them. unselect that guy so it's not in our way. Fillet, you want to select only the outside circle of that. Same with that. And it's just a radius of 1. Good to go there. Now, can normal to bottom plane. So what we need to do from here is we need to make a new sketch. Just go to planes. So here we're now looking at the bottom plane. You select this guy, make a sketch on it. Off a little bit of an angle so you can see the interior lines. Now you notice how that one went orange. Click it. Follow similar pattern. Select all of the interior lines of this face. That guy. Go to the Convert Entities button. That just copies them over into your new sketch. Features. Extrude. You get this really weird looking thing. Set this to 1. That's already to 1. And you have the lip. And that is a completed part. Quick isometric. Looks like it's supposed to. Fully defined. Less than 7 minutes. Not too bad. Only need to create one plane, and you get to play around with the whole feature. Tons and tons of fun. Anyway, have fun. Till the next lab. Happy trails, people.